Will the iPhone 17 Pro really be big and orange? Yes, you heard that right, orange. Apple's next-generation flagship might be turning heads with not just its design, but also a massive leap in camera and display technology, but that's just scratching the surface. From a rumored A19 Pro chip to a 48-megapixel telephoto lens and even the possibility of Trump's tariffs shaking up the price tag, the iPhone 17 Pro could be one of the most controversial and advanced iPhones ever. So, let's dive deep into every rumor, leak, and prediction we have so far, because this one's going to be interesting. Apple is known for keeping its Pro models sleek and minimalistic, but the iPhone 17 Pro might shake things up. Imagine an orange iPhone sitting next to your classic black or silver. Sounds bold, right? Leaker Majin has hinted that Apple could introduce a vibrant orange shade alongside black, silver, and dark blue. Think about it, we've seen titanium hues like Desert Peach on the iPhone 16 Pro. But a bright orange Pro model, that's Apple saying, yes, we can have fun too. And speaking of design, rumors point to a horizontal camera bar. Yes, very similar to the Google Pixel 9 lineup. This could mean all three lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto are aligned neatly in a row instead of that pyramid layout we've grown used to. A mock-up leaked on X suggests Apple is testing this bold shift. Love it or hate it, Apple is clearly not afraid to take risks this year. Now, let's talk about the cameras because let's be honest, the iPhone camera is often the reason people upgrade. According to reliable leaks, Apple is finally stepping up its game with 48-megapixel sensors across all three rear cameras. That's right, no more mixing 12MP with 48MP. Everything from your ultra-wide to your telephoto is getting the full 48MP treatment. Even the front-facing selfie camera is set for an upgrade from 12MP to 24 megapixels. Whether you're snapping a selfie at brunch or trying to look cool on FaceTime, this could mean sharper images, better low-light performance, and let's face it, way less editing on Instagram. Another exciting feature, a dual video recording mode that lets you shoot using both the front and rear cameras simultaneously. Imagine recording your reaction while filming your kid's birthday party or capturing travel vlogs, where both you and the scenery shine. Basically, Apple wants to turn us all into mini content creators. The screen is also getting a serious glow up. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could feature a scratch-resistant, anti-reflective display. Apple's ceramic shield is already tough, but this new coating could make screen protectors a thing of the past. In terms of size, the Pro is expected to remain 6.3 inches, while the Pro Max sticks to 6.9 inches. But here's an interesting rumor, Apple might tweak the design slightly to accommodate a larger camera bump and potentially a bigger battery. This means the iPhone 17 Pro could be a tad thicker, around 8.7 millimeters compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's 8.5 millimeters. Also, the iconic Apple logo on the back. Rumors suggest it's moving a bit lower to make room for these camera changes. It's a subtle change, but one that Apple fans will definitely notice. Let's talk power. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to pack the new A19 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU. This means faster graphics, smoother video rendering, and more power for Apple's ever-growing AI features, including Apple Intelligence. For context, the iPhone 16 series came with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but the iPhone 17 series could jump to 12 gigabytes of RAM. That's laptop-level memory in your pocket. Battery life is also rumored to see a massive jump. The Pro Max might feature the largest iPhone battery ever, and the Pro is likely to benefit from this improvement as well. There's also talk of a vapor chamber cooling system, which should prevent overheating during heavy use, perfect for gamers and binge-watchers. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, price. iPhones haven't seen a price increase for the Pro model since 2017, but analysts say that might finally change, with tariffs looming thanks to Donald Trump's potential 25% import penalty. Prices could spike. Even without tariffs, Apple might raise prices simply because the upgrades in cameras, displays, and chips cost more to make. So, if you're planning to grab an iPhone 17 Pro, start saving now. We could easily see the base Pro crossing the $1,100 mark this year. Apple's launch pattern is predicted to be usually the first Tuesday of September. But this time, September 2nd falls right after Labor Day, which could push the event to Wednesday, September 3rd, or even Tuesday, September 9th. Pre-orders are expected to begin that same week, with shipping likely on September 12th or 19th. Interestingly, the iPhone 17 lineup might be the last to follow Apple's fall launch tradition. Starting with the iPhone 18. Reports suggest Apple will split its launches budget iPhones early in the year and Pro models later, so the iPhone 17 Pro might mark the end of an era. So, what do you think? Would you buy a bright orange iPhone 17 Pro with a horizontal camera bar, a 48MP selfie shooter, and the most powerful chip Apple's ever made, or is all this just too much hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the iPhone 17 Pro rumors, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I've got more leaks and comparisons coming soon, including how the iPhone 17 stacks up against Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can also check out the videos popping up on your screen right now for more Apple news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.